Okay, you guys, welcome to another unboxing with Chris Lambert. I saved these boxes so I can unbox them in a video, and they just add up because I don't get around to it. So a couple of these I've opened already, so let's start with one of those. Let's set this one aside. And let's start with this one right here. And I forgot what was in here. Forgot what I ordered here. So, get my knife here. Open that up. Let's see what this is. This is by Anker. Okay. I try and keep my phone charging stuff going and USB stuff, power strips and stuff. I'm thinking it's some kind of USB power strips. So I like Anker stuff. I also like the OtterBox chargers that they have, and that's what it is. It's a weird thing. Okay, I think it's made for iPhones. I have a Samsung, so you got a nice thick cord, nice long cord. I'm not sure how long it is. You got your flat plug, and over here, see if I can take this off so we can see what's in here. This is called a cube. Won't get off. Okay. So we got one, two, three outlets, and then we have a couple of the standard USB plugs, and then we have the C plug, or whatever they call it. Outlet, not outlet, but yeah. So that's nice. But I heard it doesn't charge Samsungs as well as it does Apple's, so very fast. So we'll find out. So that's number one. Anker always has it, nice little booklets and stuff. Look, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a sticker. So you can stick this to your desktop and or wherever, and have your charger for your phone and whatever else you want to charge. The second one, and here, I may have showed you this before because I got one before. This is a Thorfire lantern. This is part of camping bug out bag type stuff, or emergency preparedness stuff. See if I can open that without ripping it. So I don't know how charged it is, but there we go. There's the inside. It's got a looks like it's got a power supply in here. There it is. It's got your USB to USB-A, or mini USB. USB-A to mini USB, if I could say that. And you click this once. You got a flashlight. Twice, and it gets brighter. Is that it? Only two flashlights, no red on this one. Okay. And then here's your charging ports. And it opens up. I think I showed you this one before. Now you have a lantern. You got low, bright, and you can not only charge it in the wall, but you can charge it like this. Just like Journey to the Center of the Earth. Pretty nice. Now some of these have solar panels. Since solar panels take so long to charge, especially for something small like this. I chose this option of the crank to power it, so that's number 2. And now boxes I've ordered so much stuff for Halloween and bug out bags and other stuff. I don't even know what I have. I've just been waiting for an unboxing, so let's see what's in this one. It is such a big box for such a small. This is heavy. Oh, okay. This is some more bug out bag camping, emergency preparedness stuff. These are by the Shenzhen Bayite Technology Company Limited. A Bayite ferro rod, and we got 2 of them. They're 1/2 inch by 5 inches, so that's pretty good size. I had all smaller ones. I decided I needed to get, don't want to cut myself here, needed to get some bigger ones. The only problem is they don't have a cord, but you can easily buy a cord, so there they are. They've got holes so you can, put a cord through it. You get 2 of them. They're supposed to be good brands, so that's that. The next one, find out what this one is. What could it be? Ah, okay. Well, I was sick recently. I'm getting over being sick. Something's going around, cough and stuff. And so this is Mary Ruth's organic oil of oregano. I guess I didn't use it. You're supposed to put, I think you're supposed to put this in boiling water and put a towel over your head and inhale the steam. I think that's what you do. I watched an internet doctor and they talked about that. And then we've got an LED headlamp. I thought we were supposed to get 2 of these for the price of 1. From what yep, there's 2 in there. And they were cheap. They were like $10, $15 for 2, I think, or 20. Because these things can get to be really expensive. And this is another thing in an emergency situation. So, yeah, just as LED headlamp. I don't know what brand that is. Let's see what it does. Oh, okay, there we got a flashing red and light and medium and 2 side lights. That's nice. I don't know how to stop it. Oh, okay. Can't stop it. Okay. So it looks like this operates the outside and the inside lights. This does the outside and inside and the red flashing, and this shuts it off. So pretty nice. Yeah, real nice. So you can do things. You don't have to hold a lantern or hold a flashlight. Especially good on working on, and it comes with also comes with, I blinded myself, so USB A and a mini USB charger. So, and you get 2 of those. Nice. Set that out like that. Up. And our last box, very heavy. It might be some kind of tool. See if I can open that up. Okay. Might have to tear this one apart. Looks like it has a latch type opening. It does. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay. These are some inexpensive Amazon Basic speakers. These are really nice looking, decent sounding. I think they're black and silver. I like the silver. And when you plug them in, they light up with a blue, like a neon fluorescent light. Something fell. And you get your cord. And your, yeah. Gotta watch what I'm doing with the camera here. You get your cord, you get your left and right speaker. They're pretty heavy. They sound decent if you just need speakers. So you can have sound on your laptop or whatever, your computer, and you just need something basic. That's for around $14, about $20 total. And you can have some speakers. Nice speakers from Amazon. That was the headlamp. So that's it for this unboxing. I'm sure I'll have more coming up, so tune in again. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching.